How to set up email account on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. For that, open up your setting and scroll down, then you can see the account and backup option. So you have to press on account and backup, and then you have to press on manage account. Now press on add account. Now here you can see Google or Gmail account. You have to select Google. Now you have to enter your Gmail account here. Once done, press on next. Now you have to enter your password, and after password press on agree. Now if you want to backup your data, then you can select as well. I don't want to backup my data. Then your Gmail account is set up and auto sends data. You can enable it for your backup or security purpose. If you go back to your Gmail account, you can access your Gmail account as well. So this is how you can easily set up it. Thank you. Have a good day.